Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Amusa Aminat Omobonike, and I'm here to talk to you about augmented intelligence, how you can accelerate business value in your company with AI. Who is Aminat? Aminat is a data scientist, and she's also a technical writer. She's also currently the technical lead for data science team in our company. And when she's not chapping off about uh, data or writing or coding, she's talking about NFT. I'm sure everybody here is wondering, augmented intelligence, artificial intelligence, everything just seems the same. But don't worry. At the end of this section, everybody here will understand what augmented intelligence is and how they can apply it to their business. Understanding augmented intelligence. According to Doc Egobert, technology should not aim to replace human beings. Rather, it should amplify the human capabilities that we currently have. And unlike the fear of AI taking over everybody's jobs, the kind of AI that we will be talking about in this section is the friendly kind of AI, as I like to call it. It is the AI that enhances our capabilities. What is augmented intelligence? Augmented intelligence is a branch of artificial intelligence that seeks to enhance human intelligence rather than operate independently on it. It not only enhance our decision making, it also optimize our intelligence, human intelligence. It focuses on the collaboration of human beings and machines. What are the benefits of augmented intelligence? Augmented intelligence improves human decision making by handling the large amount of data that human beings can be bombarded with. So it handles the large amounts of data on its own hand, and human beings get the filtered version. They don't have to bother about the millions of data sets. They get the filtered version of, and it's easy for them to make judgments based on recommendations that the AI has given them. According to an IBM report on a clinical study of detecting lymph node cancer cells, artificial intelligence had a 7.5% error rate in detecting lymph node cancer cells, and while the human pathologists had a 3.5% error rate. And I find this very interesting that when human human pathologists and the artificial intelligence was combined, the error rate reduced to 0.5%. Yes. Real life use cases of augmented intelligence. Currently, data analytics are being used by online stores like Amazon, eBay to predict customer preference. They use data to know what their customers are thinking, what they want to buy. And currently, medical examination of case files in order to identify effective treatment options. Medical professionals are currently bombarding lots of case files, and these cases, they are similar to the one you currently have, and these are the type of treatments that they used previously for it. So the medical professionals can make decisions based on these recommendations that AI is given. And we're also currently seeing natural language processing based virtual customer service. I'm sure everybody's familiar with Siri. Yeah, Alexa. And currently, artificial intelligence can translate languages in seconds. And this can help customer service. One person cannot know 10 languages. Or there are people that know 10 languages, that speak 10 languages, but it is rare to find someone that speaks 20 languages, that speaks 40 languages. But you can have an AI that helps the customer service agent to translate the language. And even if the customer service agent does not speak like that particular language, it gets translated for them and they're able to communicate effectively with your customers. How you can accelerate business value with AI. How do you use AI in a business process? There are two major methods of using augmented intelligence to improve a business process. There's weak augmentation and also strong augmentation. Weak augmentation is using artificial intelligence for taxes that are constant. They are routine taxes. They are things that they don't change from start to finish. It's the same thing, repetitive taxes. So artificial intelligence are used for taxes like this. So humans now we have the time to do more productive and creative taxes and leaving machine to do the repetitive ones. Strong augmentation. Strong augmentation assists a business in redesigning an entire process through a mix of taxes that accomplish the work in a new way through machine-human collaboration. So one thing human beings have that it's very unique is the ability to reason, the ability to understand context. And this is something that artificial intelligence is yet to fully comprehend. Human beings can make decisions based on knowing this happened in the past. They have that ability to link things together. But currently, the artificial intelligence that we're having is in silos. You have artificial intelligence that are focused, okay, maybe this one is just focused on as a chatbot, or this is just focused as a computer vision bot. So when you want to redesign a business process in your organization, there are three main ways you can go about that. So either if you are using software in your company or you are using hardware in your company, at one point, these things break, or there is need for maintenance. Artificial intelligence can help the human operator to know, okay, there is going to be a fault, or there's currently a fault in this system at so time, and you need to order for this particular piece of equipment before it breaks down. The people you interact with, through the post you like, through the post you view, your behavior, your user behavior, through website that you visit, whether you're searching for sneakers on Amazon, or you're searching for a laptop on eBay. So business can use augmented intelligence to predict their customer behaviors. The business challenge. The challenge of AI has always been, how do I use the data that my company is currently generating? How does it turn into value? How does it make money for me? The first thing for the data that your company is generating, for it to make money for you, you have to first understand the data that your company is generating. So whether it's unstructured data being either pictures or videos or documents, or structured data, which means either tabular data, those data in forms of rows and columns, all those kind of things, all those kind of ones that you see on Excel sheets. So you must first understand the data, then, because data is only valuable in the context that, for your business use case, only valuable for your business use case. So when you want to build business-specific solutions using augmented intelligence, there are things, one of the most important things, of course, is data. And also, you have to, your data might not come from one source. It might come from different sources, meaning it can come from different sources, like different parts of your company, like different departments of your company. So you can gather data both from your finance department, from the HR department, aggregate it and put it in one place and try to get insight into what exactly is happening in your company as a whole. And to match the data, you have to match the data with deep expertise. So I noticed that a lot of Nigerian companies, they lack knowing the type of data professionals that they should employ. So when they say, okay, we want to use our company data to make sense of our data, They don't know who should we go to, because there are different professions that are specific to what they do with data. We have data engineers, we have data scientists, we have data analysts, we have machine learning engineers. And for a company that is serious about utilizing and getting value from their data, they must make sure they have this type of people as a member of like a team. They need to have like a data science team. So I am of the belief that every company should have a data science team, because data is very important. When you don't when you don't understand your data, you don't understand what's going on in your business, you don't understand your customers, and frankly, you are still playing then. And you have to have the ability to have the systems that learn and change. The real danger that we face is not machines replacing human, or machines that are working like human. The real danger that we are facing is people operating like machines, people getting stuck doing repetitive tasks, doing the same thing over and over and over again, and not having chance to utilize their thinking faculty. Taking advantage of disruption is it's actually very important. A long time ago, there was nothing like telephone. A long time ago, there was there was there was nothing like automobile. Yeah. And we are at a point now where augmented intelligence is the future. Technology is the future. Artificial intelligence is the future. And you either you want to be a data professional, or you're part of the management in your company. You need to you need to take advantage of this opportunity, so you don't be part of the you don't so you are not part of the businesses that get disrupted. How is AI changing the market? Whether you're attempting to transform a traditional industry, or innovators, if you want your company to innovate fast, and and you want a chance to have an edge over your competitors, it is very important that you not only understand your data, but it's also important that you understand your customers. In conclusion, we are at an exciting crossroad in artificial intelligence and machine learning. And even though there's a lot of fear around what the technology can do, I think the benefits outweigh the disadvantages. And if, as a company now, you are not planning on utilizing the data that your company has, or you are not working towards incorporating artificial intelligence into your processes, then I fear for your future. Yes, because, yeah, augmented intelligence is the future. Thank you.